This machine right here is our Kongsberg C64 CNC machine. It has a feeding table that's 10 foot by 10 foot. So we can cut our fabrics on it, we can cut our flat substrates on it, we can cut all our vinyl on it. We hardly ever use work tables anymore because this machine has so many tools that you can do it all from a push of a button. This is the controls for the CNC machine, where you just lay your board on there and it'll cut any shape out of any type of a substrate. So all these different boards we cut out of Sintra, Max Metal. We cut the carpet out the other day on this machine that we transferred on the Flavor key press. So there's nothing that we can't do in large format here in the shop.